you notice, lows at the same price, but the highs are different. 3 higher highs in a row. Beautiful setup and structure. You could reference this throughout the day on any time frame, and any type of stock. You could pull it up on Apple, on Amazon, you could pull it up on these microcap names, and you see this happen. This is the general follow through that you're going to recognize. It happens time and time and time and time again. So for me, it's like, well, when you see reoccurring patterns take place, and in retrospect, the trading behavior in conjunction of that pattern is really consistent, like an extreme high level of consistency, you just can't ignore it.